Okay, so we're gonna need some glue sticks, glue gun, two pillar candles, 2 foam balls, some ribbon. I have a pink mini roses, and I have these, which are called peonies, and then they're white and pink. So let's get started on this DIY. And I think I might have a little help from my little one, so we shall see. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we are going to get started by hot gluing our ball to our pillar. Now my little assistant over here, she is going to be taking all the flowers off of the stems. So we are going to do that. You can go ahead and start, Ella. Just make a pile. All right, so easiest way to do this is just to go ahead and lay a ribbon of glue. And of course, I always need hot glue. So here we go. All right, I've put a good amount because, you know, my hot glue gun not been working too well. I apparently did not invest in a good hot glue gun. So this one, I'll give you an example, has a divot in it, so I'm going to put that at the bottom. So what I'm gonna do is just lay my ball.
I'm almost finished.
All right, thank you, Ella.
You're welcome.
So I'm going to put my I'm going to put my ball on my pillar, and we are good to go. Look at that awesome job. So what we're gonna do now, I'm going to go ahead and, to save time, just go ahead and glue up my second.
And I'm going to leave because my job is done.
Oh, okay. Thank you, ma'am. I appreciate you for the help.
You're welcome.
All
You're
right.
welcome. Exiting the video.
Okay. So there we go. I'm going to take one, and I am going to start work on it. So
Announcing her new assistant, her cat. Yes, he said he is very
that's the
pleased
one
to
you
do
guys
it.
constantly hear in the background. Okay, Miss Thing, take him and go. Okay, so we're going to leave the stems on these because what we're going to do is we're going to actually use them to poke them into the actual ball itself. And then we will pull it out, put some glue in, and then make sure it is good to adhere. So I'm going to start on here, and I am going to work my way all the way around the center. So we're going to go start at the center on this side and go all the way up and go all the way around. And what we're going to do, I'm going to start dead center, or what I would say is dead center, and put my first one in, take it out. Ooh. Make sure you remember where you put it. Put a little hot glue gun in there, or hot glue in there, so he will stay. And there you go. All right, next one. Now our pink are going to be the little filler for the insides, just to give it some color. You can see where it's tipped pink, so that will match. All right, so I'm going to take another one, and we're going to go you can't see what I'm doing. I just went in the middle again, pull it out, find my hole, put some hot glue, find my hole again, and then place my flower. Now, as I said, I'm just going to go in a straight line pattern. There's my glue. Place my flour. Hold it for a couple of seconds. And then twist to the other side. Without the cobwebs. The glue gun webs. Okay. So I'm trying not to mash the flour as I'm going in. And we're going to make our hole, pull it out, glue in the hole, and repeat the process. Hold it for a second. There you go. All right. Okay, now that we've got our full line crossed, now we are going to turn it and go, whoops, excuse me. I'm gonna go turn it and go this way. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and take the pink ones and get those in between. Okay, so unfortunately, I pushed too hard on that last flower and it separated. So I had to take the time and re-glue. I see a nice big hole. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna place my finger here. I'm gonna put I'm gonna twist and put my rose, my pink rose, right in the center. Okay. And guess what, guys? I have done so many DIYs that I ran out of flowers. So that just means I get to go back to the Dollar Tree. Woohoo! And get some more flowers to finish making our second ball. But at least our first ball's done. There we go. Hey y'all, George Peach Cooks and Creates here, and we are going to continue on in the build-up process of this flower ball on a pedestal. So I will tell you what has happened is I took a break from doing this flower ball and concentrated on other things. So what I'm going to do is I actually ran out of flowers. And I had to go back and pray to goodness that they had more of these, and they did. So I'm gonna fill in the gaps on this one, and then we've got this one to build. So I am going to do that, and I also picked up some of this pretty trim. It is like a tassel kind of trim, and we're going to attach that as well. So let's get going. We do have our hearts. We have everything basically the same like we had last time. Only difference is we've got the tassel. Originally I was going to use, I found that at Michael's and I wanted to use that instead. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna look for gaps, and I see a couple. And y'all, my cat has decided to join us. He's eating. If you hear him, just ignore him. It's just a cat eating. So I have found a couple gaps, and I'm going to try to do my best to fill in, but not over full. So again, same process. Just go ahead, and y'all, I got a new glue gun. I am so excited to use this thing. I think with the addition of our trim right here, okay, we have finished hot gluing around our little tassel. You can see the bottom. And this is what the finished product looks like. It's very simple. Very, very, very simple. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and do my second ball. And then I will show you both of them together. Okay, and here is my second flower ball. So, oh, I did not put I actually forgot to put the trim on this one, but you know what it looks like with the trim on it. It's just like that. Anyway, these are the two completed flower balls. I hope you guys like this tutorial. It's extremely easy. I mean, it's easy, and not only that, it's really pretty as well. I will be doing a bathroom makeover for Valentine's Day, so this is where they are going to be going. So you will see the finished product in that bathroom makeover. Anyway, y'all give this video a thumbs up, a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and when you do, make sure you push that bell button, and it will give you notifications of my videos that are coming up that I've posted. Anyway, Y'all have a blessed day, and thanks for watching.